Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on and tell you about my experience with the Forex Beginners Academy with Saad Ali. I guess the first thing is that I have been trying to get this trading thing down for a while now, and I have looked at YouTube videos, I have purchased courses, I've joined MLMs, purchased books, just about anything that you can think of I've probably done, just trying to learn about Forex. And I picked up some things along the way, but I have failed to become a consistent and profitable trader, which is, my main goal in doing this, to be consistent and profitable. But just so happened I was going through YouTube trying to, learn more about Forex, and came across the Forex Beginner Academy. And by far, out of all the things that I've purchased, this has been the best. And lo and behold, it's free. The course takes you step by step, from A to Z, and it's very, very detailed. It really teaches you the fundamentals and gets you the analysis part of it, breaking down those charts and really letting you see the why behind what you are doing, why you're making those trades, why we're looking at the monthly, why we're looking at the daily. It's giving you very, very detailed, and so it makes you a more competent trader. Another thing that I like that the course stresses is focusing on one currency pair versus looking at several, which is what, from my experience, a lot of the other courses have you looking at several different currency pairs, making several different trades. And this is the first course that I've come across that says, hey, focus on one currency pair, learn that currency pair, and make less trades with a higher probability of, going the way that you want it to go, which I thought was excellent. So I'm picking up, and I've picked up so much from this free course. I've picked up more in this course and learned more in a free course than I have in the ones that I purchased. So I would recommend this to anybody. I'm actually going through it. I'm going to get my daughter to do it. So I just wanted to say thank you, Mr. Ali, for taking the time, putting this together for people like us that truly want to learn how to become a more consistent and profitable trader. Thanks.